In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to get your old account back in FC Mobile. If you have lost access to your FC Mobile account, follow these simple steps. First, install the FC Mobile app on your PC or mobile device. Once it's installed, open the app. If you are still having trouble, you can search for how to get your old account back in FC Mobile and visit the official EA website, ea.com. On their site, scroll down and you will find helpful steps to recover your game process. The first step is to link your EA account. If you have linked your EA account previously, it will be easy to get your account back. Your game process should be safely stored there. So all you need to do is sign back into your linked account and your game process will be restored. If you haven't linked your account, try these two steps. First, check app updates and install any available updates. If that does not work, restart the device. If you still can't recover your account, reach out to the EA support team with your user ID. They will assist you in getting back into the game. You can contact support directly to the help.ea.com and report the issue there. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.